Does your child with ADHD tend to provoke your other children and start problems at home? Well, the reason for that is they are probably screaming for scaffolding. What I mean by that is they need more structure at home, and saying things to them like, go find something to do, that doesn't work. What I teach in Scaffolding Better Behavior, my parent behavior training program, is we have to offer kids options, limited options, for a specific time frame, and that way we are creating the scaffolding they need at home so they can figure out what to do. The reason why they struggle with this unstructured time at home is because of their difficulty with nonverbal working memory or future thinking skills, meaning they can't visualize themselves necessarily doing something, and then of course when you suggest something, well, they're going to say no automatically because that kind of takes the novelty out of it. Whereas if we let them make the choice, limit their options, and have clear expectations, that's going to proactively help stop some of this antagonization towards siblings. You can implement scaffolding at home, and I teach this in Scaffolding Better Behavior, my parent behavior training program, and the best part about it is it's not difficult to do, and I show some great examples in there as well. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.